Part 1. Setup and configuration. Everything starts with one command in your project folder. It detects the agents installed on your machine and asks you to sign in from the browser once. Then watch the checklist. Every review tool connects, and the installer offers to write usage rules into each agent's own files. Say yes here. This is what teaches your agents to call for review proactively without being asked. The last step is Doctor. It stages a genuinely risky change and tries to commit it, to prove on your machine that the gate really blocks. Setup is fully undoable at any time. On the website, the setup guide walks through the same steps. 2 pages matter here. Bring your own model lets you add any model you like. Here, a DeepSeek model through OpenRouter with your own credentials encrypted. Bring your own keys means your providers bill you directly. And on the model selection page, you compose the panel itself. 4 seats, 1 per provider, and your custom model can take any of them. You also choose the synthesizer, and every choice shows its credit price before you commit. Back in the repo, this is the rules block the installer wrote. Your agents read this file on every session. It tells them when to audit, when to deliberate, and how to treat the gates.